In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in HubSpot in 5 minutes or less. Whether you're a seasoned HubSpot user or just getting started, knowing how to quickly generate quotes is essential for streamlining your sales process and maintaining efficiency. So let's dive right in and see just how easy it is. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to jot down your username and password to ensure a smooth login process every time. After logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot homepage. This is your starting point for navigating through HubSpot's various features. For today, our focus is on creating a quote. To begin, look for the Workspaces tab. Clicking on Workspaces is your gateway to accessing essential tools related to your sales processes. In the Workspaces section, you'll see a variety of options. Find and click on Sales, which contains all the sales-related functionalities you'll need. After entering the sales area, direct your attention to the Deals section. Here, you'll find comprehensive records of your current, past, and potential deals. To create a quote linked to a specific deal, find the deal you want to work with. For demonstration purposes, let's select a deal labeled Test. It's crucial to ensure that you know exactly which deal you want to generate a quote for to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've clicked on the deal, look for the option to Open in Queue. This section provides more in-depth information and interaction with the particular deal you're focusing on. Then click View Record to open the detailed view of the deal. This is where you'll review all the information tied to this deal before proceeding to create your quote. Finally, you're ready for the last step. Locate the Quotes plus Add button on this page. Clicking here will initiate the quote creation process. You'll be prompted to enter the necessary details like product descriptions, quantities, and pricing, among others, to complete your quote. Make sure all the details are accurate and reflect the agreement you're offering. And there you have it, you've successfully created a quote in HubSpot in under 5 minutes. With this simple process, you can generate quotes quickly and efficiently as part of your everyday sales operations. Practice this a few times and you'll be making quotes like a pro in no time. That concludes our tutorial for today. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy quoting.